Good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Sophia. It's an unbelievable day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our varsity boys baseball team will travel to play Melbourne Central Catholic at 4 p.m.
Good luck, Panthers.
Panthers, the ASVAB is Wednesday, April 24th in the auditorium from 8:45 to 11:45 a.m.
Scan the following QR code to sign up.
Students, Panther Prep School begins Saturday, April 13th from 8:30 to 12:30 and will run until May 18th.
Students can attend teacher-led sessions to help prepare for EOCs and state testing.
Students will also be able to use school computers to work on course recovery.
Heritage Saturday School will provide a light breakfast options and lunch. See flyer for details.
Attention, an important message from Coach Benson. All junior varsity track athletes must turn in their uniforms to Coach Benson or Coach Trotman immediately.
Any junior varsity track athlete that fails to do so will be placed on the depth list.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!